Hello?
Hi, Frank. It's Pam.
Hey, Pam. What's up?
Not much. Where are you?
I'm in the car driving home.
When you get home, will you send me an email with directions to the party tonight?
Sure, no problem.
When do you think you'll get home?
I don't know. Maybe in about 30 minutes or so. There's a lot of traffic.
I have to go out soon. Can you just send me a text message with the address instead?
I'll do that as soon as I get home.
Thanks a lot. Drive carefully.
Okay. I'll see you tonight.
Bye. Anthony, are you okay?
I'm okay now, but I got into a car accident this morning.
Were you hurt?
No, but my neck is still a little sore.
What happened?
I wasn't paying attention, and I hit a car that stopped in front of me.
Were the people in the other car all right?
Yes, they're fine. I wasn't going very fast.
Were you wearing a seat belt?
Yes.
Did the police come?
Yeah, I called them on my cell phone right after it happened.
Do you want me to drive you home?
No, I need to go get my car fixed this afternoon. Hello, Mrs. Wilson.
Hi, doctor.
How are you feeling?
I don't feel good.
What's bothering you?
I have a stomach ache and a headache.
Where does it hurt?
Here.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, let me look at your throat. Open your mouth. Your throat's red. Does it hurt?
Yes, it's sore.
When did it start to feel this way?
Last week.
I think you have a virus. It might be the flu. I'm going to give you a prescription for some medicine.
Thank you.
Try to get some rest, and be sure to drink lots of water and orange juice. Hello? Marriott Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi. I'd like to make a reservation.
Just a moment. Okay. For what date?
July 25th.
How many nights will you be staying?
2 nights. What's the room rate?
$75 a night, plus tax. Would you like me to reserve a room for you?
Yes, please.
Your name?
Nancy Anderson.
Miss Anderson. How will you be paying?
Visa.
Card number, please.
4198-2289-3388-228.
Expiration date?
1/9/2012.
Okay. You're all set. We'll see you on the 25th.
Good evening.
Hi. Do you have any vacancies tonight?
Yes, the rate is $55.
Do the rooms have internet access?
We have wireless. If you have a computer, you can use the wireless network for an additional $5.
Okay. I'd like a room, please.
Would you like a smoking or a non-smoking room?
Non-smoking.
How will you be paying?
Visa. Here you are.
How many people?
2.
Would you like a king-size bed or 2 double beds?
King size, please.
You're in room 237. It's on the 2nd floor. Here's your key. Sign here, please.
What time is checkout?
11:30. Hello. How may I help you?
I'd like to send this package to California.
Would you like to send it overnight or by regular mail?
How much is it to send it overnight?
$20.
And by regular mail?
$12.
I'd like it to get there tomorrow.
Please fill out this form. When you're finished, come back to this window.
Okay. I think I'm done. Is this correct?
Yes, that's right.
I'd also like to mail this letter.
Do you need to buy stamps?
Yes.
A book of stamps costs $3, so that'll be $23 for everything.
Oh, I forgot my wallet in my car. I'll be right back.
Patrick, why didn't you call me last night? I was worried about you.
Sorry, I was sick. I went to bed early.
What's wrong?
I had a cough, and my eyes were really dry.
Are you better now?
Yes, I'm feeling a lot better. Much better than yesterday.
Do you have allergies?
Yes. Last time I went to the doctor, he did some tests and told me I have allergies. It gets worse in the spring.
What time did you wake up this morning?
Around 9:30.
Are you going to work today?
No, I think I'll just stay home and watch TV. I can work from home today.
Good. Get some rest, and I'll bring over some food later.
Thanks.